I needed a way to make 2 red dots at the rear of my tender, and I didn't have a lot of space, and I didn't want to have a big bulking light box. So in talking to a friend, Tim Coe, he said he heard about people drilling holes in the LED lens and fitting fiber optics into the lens and getting good coupling. Well, here I am looking straight into the fiber optic, and here I am looking straight into that fiber optic, and I've melted the ends so that they're sort of bugle shaped at the end, you might say, and hopes that, don't look at my wrinkly old hand, just look at the ends. You can see they're kind of bugle shaped. So if I drill a hole the diameter and I just open the exit a tiny bit with a counter drill, these things should fit in nice and straight. And if you can see this caterpillar looking thing, that's what I did. I drilled into the lens a couple millimeters, tried to offset them, and then I did this shaping at the end, and I did the polishing as much as I could on the inside, and it seems to have done the deed. So these will be fitted to the ends, not this one, but one like it. The ends of the tender, they'll be fitted in and then run down, and this will all be buried inside. Oops, this will all be buried inside, so all you'll see would be the red tips sticking out. That's the idea anyway. Okay, a little show and tell. I thought that was interesting. Actually came out pretty doggone nice. Thanks to Tim. He didn't really tell me he's tried it, so I'm wondering when he sees this, he might think, oh gosh, it does work. I had a little extra fiber, so I thought, why not try it? As you can see, when I aim it right at you, it's quite bright. All of this will be down inside, so it won't be a problem. Yeah, and then I have a source I can run it off of. It could be track power, it doesn't matter, because you really want the red lights on all the time. So, okay, progress later.